In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this license plate bracket on the front of an 08 to 2010 F-250. Let's get started. Doing this is pretty simple. All you have to do is pry out on the bottom and then lift it straight up. It unhooks from the bumper, and there you have it. Now if you had your new one, which I don't, I'm going to reinstall the original one. You have two hooks on the back. They hook along the bottom side of the bumper here. And once those are lined up with this little indent in the bumper, go ahead and slide the lower tabs underneath the wind dam or wind deflector down there. Press it in, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.